Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the Dakota Stones Druzy beads. Now these are beautiful gemstone beads and we have a lot of different varieties and colors, so I'm just going to start and jump right in. So I'm going to start here with these beads here. Now we have a couple of different sizes here. We have a beautiful 8 and a 6, and just to kind of show you what a druzy looks like, these are lovely little beads and these actually have faceted sort of sides. But you can also see that you're going to get that druzy crystal that sort of peeks through as I sort of roll that bead around in my hand there. So each bead is going to be 100% unique. So if you just kind of want to look down here, and you can see that this one has a really nice geode side to it. This one actually has a little bit of almost a matte finish to it. So these are really unique, and especially with this one in particular here, this is a nice little sort of rainbow finish. So you're getting to see a lot of these nice little sparkles. So just kind of as I move them around on the table, you can really see how each bead is completely different, which is actually kind of fun, and it's great to use in designs. So I made a memory wire bracelet here, and I used these lovely blue druzy beads. So you can see, just taking a look at that one there, that has a really nice interest to it. But what's nice about these particular beads is that they all have that facet, so you're really getting that nice sort of glittery shimmer even as you move it. And for this design, I paired it with some noodle beads and with some lava beads. Now these are actually really fun to work with, and they go so well with the druzys just for that really natural look, and this sort of became a nice little two-tone piece. So this tutorial will be available at beadaholique.com. And just to kind of show you a couple of the other ones, we do have some silver. I love this beautiful purple, which is really shimmery, and you can actually see how lovely these strands are. So you'll get the full strand in the size that you choose, of course, but we have purple and gold, and then we have this golden blue, which is really kind of fun. It has almost a yellow tint to it, but really natural looking and just really, really fun. So very beautiful stuff. So aside from the faceted ones that we have here, we do have some round beads up here as well. And these, I'm just going to kind of pick up here and show you that they're a little bit more matte finished. And you can see that the geodes are a little bit thinner in style there as they kind of pop through. So really fun and beautiful. And just look at how long this strand is. You really get a lot of beads for what you're going to be working with here. So you can really choose the couple that are going to stand out for you. And you can also choose ones that are a little bit more rounded, which are nice to sort of pair for earrings and all kinds of bracelets and necklaces. So I feel like with the druzys, you're really going to focus on making a lot of just organic looking kind of jewelry. So we have a couple down here as well. We have a silver, and again, here we are with that beautiful sort of rainbow. And this, I think, is one of my favorites, just because you really get to see that little sparkle come through, even on these matte finish beads. So the other thing that we have here, and I just have one more strand here, and I wanted to pull out so you could see just how long this is. But we do have these lovely sort of donut rondelles, and you can see that these ones are definitely a little bit more chipped to really give you more of that druzy. So lots of different styles and shapes, and just you can kind of see as I roll them around here, they're going to be really nice and organic. But again, you're getting a nice long strand so that you can really make amazing jewelry, and you'll have a lot to choose from. Because I know sometimes when you get a gemstone strand, you might only want to use these four, or you can kind of clump them together and use these ones. So it's a really nice thing to get such a large strand. So we're really excited to bring this to you. All right, so finally in our last druzy beads here, we have these, and they kind of look like little cabochons. However, they do have a little hole here, and it's a single hole that goes top to bottom, and we have oval, we have circle, and we also have these lovely little square shapes as well. So lots of fun ideas here. You can probably see the hole maybe a little bit better on this one here. So as you can kind of see, it goes top to bottom there. And these are great for doing some organic wire wrapping and just to kind of create fun little pendants and little earrings here. So you can actually see this in another video. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do this technique to create a lovely little pair of earrings. And while the front is that nice sparkly geode, what you're going to get on the back is almost a nice little marbled effect, so that you don't even have to cover up the back, which is actually something really, really nice. So you're not getting something that kind of looks bad in a 360. You're getting something that is a nice completed piece. So be sure to check that video out. That'll be available, of course, here on YouTube and Beadaholique.com. But these are the lovely selection that we are proud to bring you from Dakota Stones, and these are our Druzy gemstone beads. So head over to Beadaholique.com. You'll find all of these, more tutorials, and even more videos.